अस्सलाम वालेकुम क्लास 8।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम टीचर।
Sahar, please mute your mic. Who is there? Is it Musa? Last time हमने जो study किया था, what was that? Just raise your hand and tell me the topic. What did we study? Hurry up.
Miss, we studied about brain.
Yes, we have studied about brain. और हमने डिटेल में स्ट्रक्चर उसका जो है डिस्कस किया था कि what is brain, in how many parts it is divided. Yes, Shayan. Brain is divided in how many parts?
टीचर 2 parts.
3 parts. Wrong answer. Yes. Forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. मैंने आपको बताया था forebrain is the portion which is over our forehead, midbrain in the middle and the hindbrain जो कि पीछे की तरफ है spinal cord की तरफ. You can see it in the diagram as well. ये जो spinal cord के साथ बनी हुई है, ये जो पिछली वाली side जहाँ spinal cord mention है over here, ये सारी का सारा जो portion है that is hindbrain. Right, so we have discussed one portion of central nervous system which was brain. Remember, in the first lecture we have discussed that central nervous system CNS is divided into 2 parts. Number 1 was brain and the number 2 is spinal cord. Right, brain को हमने सारा डिटेल में डिस्कस कर लिया हुआ है. When you will be get the books, तो आपको दोबारा से उसको रिवाइज करने में easy रहेगा and you will get to know. Then the second part was spinal cord. Now we are going to study about it. You can see in the diagram, I am just zooming it. Now you can see this one, the portion which I am circling it. There is division. One is brain and over here the second one is hindbrain, right? So we are going to discuss about spinal cord, जिसको उर्दू में हम बोलते हैं रीढ़ की हड्डी, जिसके ऊपर सारे का सारा हमारा स्ट्रक्चर बेस करता है. And we are able to stand with the help of spinal cord. और इसका डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन हमारे ब्रेन के साथ है. There are different kind of nerves which carry the message from one body part to the other body part. Right, now I am going to read it line by line. Spinal cord is an extension of medulla oblongata. Extension means जिस तरह से हमारे पास मोबाइल की कोई एक्सटेंशन है, कोई लीड है जो कि फर्दर आगे लेके जा रही है किसी चीज को. सिमिलरली ओवर हियर यू कैन सी कि उसकी एक्सटेंशन है जो हमारे पीछे बैकबोन तक जा रही है. So what is spinal cord? Spinal cord basically is an extension of medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata क्या है? It is the part of our brain which is present in hindbrain, right? और इसके different functions हैं medulla oblongata के, like हमारा equilibrium means balance, हमारा posture, body posture maintain रखना, ये सारे का सारा इससे relate करता है. It runs backwards inside the backbone up to its lower end, right? It is also made up of interneurons. Spinal cord creates a link between brain and different body parts. It also controls some reflex actions, immediate and involuntary actions, and some other involuntary actions. Now, immediate means जो फौरन से आप action लेते हैं, involuntary जिनमें आपका कोई अमल दखल नहीं होता, like which are without your action. Voluntary actions जिसमें हमारी अपनी मर्जी इंक्लूड होती है, like if I want to speak, this is a voluntary action. If I don't want to speak, this is the category of voluntary action. Involuntary actions are those actions which are going to be carried out without our own sake, like breathing, digestion, excretion. ये सारे का सारे involuntary actions हैं and they are doing it by themselves, right? Now coming towards the second system which was peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system पे अगर आपको एक नोट आता है लिखने के लिए and let's say it is of 10 mark, 8 mark, तो आप उसमें क्या लिखेंगे? You are going to write down about their in central nervous system that there are two parts which we have discussed in central nervous system. Number one was brain and number two is spinal cord. Brain के बारे में आप सारी डिटेल लिखेंगे along with the diagram and then you will write down about spinal cord. अब जो second system हमने nervous system में study करना था वो था peripheral nervous system. What is peripheral nervous system? We will denote it P and S. Tabeen, switch on your camera बेटे. एंड पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम होता क्या है? बेसिकली ये भी नर्व्स से रिलेटेड होता है एंड देयर आर टू डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ नर्व्स which are present in peripheral nervous system. One is cranial nerves and the other one is spinal nerves, right? Peripheral nervous system P and S consist of a network of nerves which are spread in the body to connect all let me show you if you want. This one you can see over here. This is human nervous system. The first one is central nervous system, which is divided into brain and spinal cord. And then we are studying about the second one, which is peripheral nervous system. And you can see there are two types of nerves. One is cranial nerve and the other one is spinal nerve. जो cranial nerve है हमारी, वो जो ऊपर वाला arrow जो show किया गया है, this one, ये cranial nerves का है. And the second one, it is of spinal nerve, right? इस तरीके से इसको आपस में कनेक्ट किया गया. Okay. The nerves which arise from brain are called cranial nerves. The nerves which arise from spinal cord are called spinal nerves. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves and 31 pairs of spinal nerves in human body. So 12 pairs हैं तो कितनी nerves हुई total? How many nerves will be there? Who is going to tell me?
24.
Yeah, it's 24. And 31 pair means?
62.
And yeah, it's 62. शाबाश, मुसफ जाग रहा है. So हमारे पास इतने pairs हैं, हम इसको भी लिख सकते हैं. And we can also write down that there are 24 cranial nerves and we have 31 pairs of spinal nerves in human body. यहाँ तक हमारा nervous system cover हो गया, right? अगला topic है working model of the nervous system. That how does it work? ये simple और छोटा सा उन्होंने बताया हुआ है diagrammatically if you see it कि अगर if you get anything hurt, मतलब आपको किसी चीज से कोई नुकसान पहुंचता है, you can see in the diagram a person is over there and there is dendrite. I am zooming in so that it will be clear to you. ये diagram आपको नजर आ जाए. You can see इसके head के पास dendrites बने हुए हैं. Now what is dendrite? Dendrite is the part of our nerve जो के सारे sensory organs को मैसेज देते हैं. और आगे आप देख सकते हैं there is a glass of water, it might be hot. When he drink it or do touch it, तो जो sensory neurons हैं, it gives messages to our brain that it is hot and it might damage you. Then with the help of motor neurons, your hand और your face, जितने भी sensory organs हैं हमारे जो कि feel कर सकते हैं किसी चीज को, वो आपको brain के through action करने पे कहेंगे. And this is how a working model of the nervous system is showing. ये just एक example है समझाने के लिए. It can't come into your papers. It's not that important, right? Now it's the next page. There are some definitions over here as well, which you must know, like receptors and effectors. Any change in the environment, external or internal, that can be detected by a receptor to initiate a nerve impulse is called stimulus. Stimulus यानी किसी भी चीज को फील कर सकना, like कोई भी change, any change in the environment, like if it is hot, you are able to detect it, that it's getting very hot. It is getting cold, you are able to detect it. So किस तरीके से आपकी nerves इसको respond करती हैं, this is a stimulus जो आपको outside से या even if it is inside, like you are not feeling well, there is some problem with your digestion, you are feeling nausea, that some vomiting is coming outside, you are unable to digest your food, you have the property, you have the ability to detect that. तो हम उसको कहते हैं this is a stimulus, right? और अगर हम इसके plural की बात करेंगे, that is stimuli. Heat, cold, pressure, sound waves, etc. are the examples of stimuli. The special organs, tissues or cells which detect stimuli are called receptors. और जो चीज इनको महसूस कर रही है, like if I can you can say touch the hot cup of water, then my hand, the tissues which are present in the hand are acting as receptor. Receptor is the word derived from receive, मतलब कि चीज receive हो रही है हमें, and these are known as receptors. Then second point, the sensory neurons carry the messages regarding stimuli in the form of nerve impulses from receptors to central nervous system. जो sensory neurons, जैसे अभी आपने working of the brain model देखा है, उसमें जो sensory neurons हैं वो carry करते हैं message. जो भी stimuli means it can be your hand, it can be your foot, it can be any part of your body. Who is there? Better stop doing it. Don't do it with the screen, please. Okay. In the form of nerve impulses from receptors to central nervous system. The central nervous system processes the messages and transmits the nerve impulse to motor neurons. जिस तरह से अभी पीछे हमने structure को discuss किया था, it is all about that. The sensory neurons को जब पता लगेगा that we have to do this action brain तक, then what happens? The central nervous system process करेगा उस message को, and then it is going to transmit the nerve impulse to motor neurons. And the last one about effectors, how it is going to be affected. The motor neurons carry the nerve impulses to the parts of the body which produces response. मतलब आपको जब brain action देगा कि अपना हाथ यहाँ से हटा लें, this is known as effector. Such parts are called effectors. Muscles and glands in the body act as effectors. Okay. Then there is an activity, make a flow diagram showing the pathway of a nerve impulse when you pat at a shoulder of your friend. No need to do this activity. Okay, I'm going to ask some questions. I don't know what the Sabeen is right now doing. He is joining the class, left the class, whatever he wants to do, he is doing. Muzammil, why you joined us late?
जी टीचर
Why you came late in the class?
टीचर मेरे को नेट का प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, मेरी मीटिंग नहीं लग रही थी, वो बार बार पता नहीं क्यों पासवर्ड या वो कोड इनकरेक्ट आ रहा था, बड़ी मुश्किल से लगा के टीचर मैं मीटिंग में आया.
Okay. Ali Hassan? Ali, are you there? Ali, speak up, bete. Ali, you don't have the camera? Okay, Sahar, tell me, what did we study right now? Sahar, Nadeem, please tell me.
Assalamualaikum
Class
teacher.
at this. Walaikum assalam. Yes, Sahar, what did we study, bete?
Teacher, we studied about spinal cord.
Good. And
Is it is an extension of medulla oblongata.
oblongata, right?
And we also studied about the two nervous systems.
Shabash. What are they? Name them. Shami, what are you doing? You are constantly disturbing the class. Yes, Sahar, speaker. जी बोले बेटे.
One is peripheral. Teacher,
One
I
is,
don't know how to pronounce them.
what's the word? What do you want to say? Please repeat it.
Peripheral nervous system.
Okay, it's peri, P-E-R-I, peri. Feral, PH gives the sound of F, like it is phone, P-H-O-N-E. We say F. PH जहाँ पे भी होता है, it gives the sound of F. So it is peripheral nervous system. You can also say it PNS.
Okay.
Okay, Rohma. Yes, Rohma, tell me, what did we study in peripheral nervous system? Jaldi se, shabash.
In peripheral nervous system, there are two types. There are two types. First
Of
is
nerves.
brain, and second is spinal cord.
No, Rohma. This is central nervous system, in which central nervous system, brain and spinal cord comes, right? In peripheral nervous system, we have only two different types of nerves. That's it. It is the
Cranial nerves
CNS.
and
Yeah, it's spinal nerves.
we
Spinal
also
nerves.
read about working.
Yes, and we also study
Cranial
about
nerve and
how a nervous
spinal
system. Right.
working
You
model
can.
of nervous system.
ठीक है. You can close your mic. Okay, now. यहाँ तक clear है? If any issue, you can ask me right now, ताकि हम उसके बाद आगे वाले पे चलें. Shayan, is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Tabeen, what about you, Shamir? Shamir, bete, is it clear? बोलना नहीं है, पर्दा है कोई?
यस टीचर, वो मुझे लगा माइक ऑफ होगा.
Okay. Okay, ji, let's start now. There are two different types of actions which are controlled by the nervous system. Number one is voluntary, that is
Teacher,
yes.
टीचर मुझे
Yes, Rama.
वर्किंग मॉडल ऑफ नर्वस सिस्टम के ना फर्स्ट पॉइंट समझ नहीं आया.
सबसे पहला any change in the environment वाला.
Yes.
Okay, देखिए. Close your mic, I'll tell you. Ali, you also. Any change in the environment, like जैसे बाहर सर्दी है, गर्मी है, मौसम अच्छा है, you can feel it, right? This is the change, you can feel it it is present in our environment, internal or external. External means outside weather, internal means within your body, right? That can be detected by a receptor, यानी जो कि आप महसूस कर सकते हैं, वो इनिशिएट होता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ नर्व इम्पल्स. मींस आपको नर्व्स मैसेज कन्वे करती हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ रिसेप्टर्स, या विद आप सिर्फ इतना समझें कि आपको बाहर ठंडी हवा चल रही है, कूल ब्रीज इज ब्लोइंग, यू कैन फील इट। बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी के बाद जैसे कल रात को थोड़ी सी बेहतर हवा चली थी, यू कैन फील इट। दिस इज अ स्टिम्युलस, यानी ये बाहर का एनवायरनमेंट जो एकदम से सडन इफेक्ट आया है इस पे, यू कैन फील इट। दिस इज अ स्टिम्युलस विच यू कैन फील बाय योर बॉडी। अभी किस तरीके से आप फील करते हैं? इट इज विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर नर्व्स। आपके नर्व्स जो हैं आपके ब्रेन को ये मैसेज कन्वे करते हैं, एंड इट ऑल डन विद इन फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड, नॉट इवन अ सेकेंड। फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड मीन्स सेकेंड के भी डिफरेंट पार्ट्स को हमने ब्रेक किया हुआ है। लाइक इफ आई से इट्स 0.0001 सेकेंड, आप देखें फौरन से आपको पता लग जाता है व्हेन यू टच एनी हॉट ऑब्जेक्ट कि हमने अपना हाथ पीछे हटाना है, या बहुत ज्यादा ठंडी चीज अगर आप कोई पकड़ लेते हो, यू नो इट विद इन फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड्स। तो ये सारे का सारा जो प्रोसेस है इसको हम कहते हैं दिस इज अ स्टिमुलस, विद द हेल्प ऑफ नर्व इंपल्स वी आर एबल टू डिटेक्ट इट। आगे उन्होंने आपको एग्जांपल्स बताई हुई हैं, हीट, कोल्ड, pressure, sound waves, etc. are the examples of stimuli. Like I am speaking and you people are able to hear my voice, it is sound waves. So the special organs, tissues or cells, अब special organs क्या हैं? Means your sensory organs. You can hear by your ears, you can feel anything, it is your sense touch. Which detects stimuli, जो ये सारी की सारी चीजें डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, we called it receptors, right? Roma, is it clear now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so we was discussing now voluntary and involuntary actions. Yes Sahar bete, what do you want to ask? Hurry up.
Miss, I want to ask, I can't understand the last point, the motor neurons.
Okay, mute your mic. We have studied how many types of neurons? Who is going to tell me? We have studied there are how three. There are three types of neurons. One are sensory, second is motor neuron, and the third one is interneurons, which are going to connect these two neurons, right? So the motor neuron is one kind of neurons that carry the nerve impulse. Carry means that has the nerve impulse to the parts of the body. Sensory neurons का जो function है, we have studied that they can sense it, means Shayan bete close your mic, that you can detect that particular change. ठीक है, सेंसरी न्यूरॉन्स का। एंड मोटर न्यूरॉन आगे से कमांड करता है आपके ब्रेन को, दैट डू दिस, डोंट डू इट, यू हैव टू डू इट, आपने हाथ हटाना है किसी गर्म चीज के ऊपर से। दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ मोटर न्यूरॉन, राइट? द मोटर न्यूरॉन्स कैरी द नर्व इम्पल्सेस टू द पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी, डिफरेंट पार्ट्स, लाइक आपके जो हाथ की तरफ नर्व्स हैं, the nerves which are towards your inside the mouth, which produce responses. Such parts are called effectors. फिर वो जिस तरीके से आगे इफेक्ट करते हैं उन पार्ट्स को हम बोलते हैं effectors. Muscles and glands in the body act as effectors. जितने भी आपके बॉडी में मसल्स हैं और ग्लैंड हैं which you are unable to see, they act as an effectors, जो आगे फर्दर इफेक्ट करते हैं उन चीजों को, राइट? And whoever is going to left the class, attendance is not going to be marked. You must know attendance is marked at the end of the class. Right now, जल्दी से आप दो ये actions हैं उनको cover कर लेते हैं. The body actions which are performed under conscious control. Conscious means जिनको हम जानते हैं, यानी हम समझ बूझ रखते हैं उस चीज की, उसको हम बोलते हैं कॉन्शियस, जो हमारी होश में होते हैं. अनकॉन्शियस which are not in our control. Conscious control, that is which are done after thinking over them, are called voluntary actions. For example, speaking, eating, reading, walking, running, and clapping, etc. are voluntary actions. The other type of actions are involuntary actions. In means without. The body actions which are performed without involvement of thinking processes are called involuntary actions. Involuntary actions are not performed under conscious control. Heartbeat, breathing, blinking of eyes, movement of small intestine, etc. are the examples of involuntary actions. Now there is very easy. This is क्वेश्चन आपको एग्जाम में किस तरह से आ सकता है, डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन वॉलंटरी एंड इनवॉलंटरी एक्शंस. Make one thing clear, you are getting prepared for class 9, so it is very important to follow the pattern which we are going to apply in our metric classes, right? So whenever the question of differentiate in between something come, what you have to do, you have to draw a margin line, and on one side you have to write on voluntary action, and on the other side you have to write on involuntary action. And one more very important thing, that if you are writing at the first point is definition, right? So you are supposed to write down the definition of the other point in the same manner. Like अगर पहले वाले में आपने voluntary action लिखा है, वहां पे आप definition लिख रहे हो, और involuntary action में आप उसकी example पहले लिख रहे हो, this gives very bad impression to examiner or the paper checker, right? Because your paper speaks whatever you are going to writing. Nobody knows that who is going there, who performs very well in the class, who is a good participant. It is your paper which is going to tell us that how much you have capable for that particular thing. तो जैसे अगर आपने पहले definition लिखी है, you have to follow the same point on the other side. Involuntary action की भी आप definition ही लिखेंगे. Then you will make another bullet and you will write down examples, and then you are going to write down in points like if I say, for example, Musaf, stop doing it, bete. Like you are writing example, speaking, eating, reading, ये सारी की सारी आप line में लिख सकते हैं, या अलग से points बना के भी लिख सकते हैं. So this is the way you are going to differentiate between two different things. ठीक है? Now, if you have any confusion, you can ask me. First, tell me how many of you didn't get the books yet. Raise your hands. Okay, Musaf, you didn't get the book. Shayan, Muzammil. Okay, and Shami, did you have the book?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. Ali? अली बेटे बुक है आपके पास? अली बहुत बुरी बात है बेटे, आप क्लास में हो और आगे से बोल नहीं रहे हो. ओके शमीर, गुड. Which edition it is? What's the year written? I can't see. 2019 to 20. Okay, good. From where you get it?
Teacher, my sister's book.
Okay, fine. मुसफ, आपने बेटे बुक का पता किया था?
जी.
फिर क्या हुआ, नहीं मिली?
जाएंगे आज पापा.
Okay, if you get the book, do tell your class fellows from where you get the book. Anybody, Muzammil, Shayan, Musaf,
Okay.
whoever get the book, do tell your class fellows so that they can also take it. Because I have to give you the homework. That is very little homework, not much. That's why I'm saying again and again.
मेरे पापा ने आज जाना है, वो कह रहे थे, तो मैं पता करवाऊंगा, अगर मिल जाएगी तो वो ले आएंगे.
Okay. Muzammil, why did you write down your name MUZ4MM1L? सही से
टीचर
नहीं लिख
वैसे
रहे.
मैंने ए की जगह 4 और आई की जगह 1 डाल दिया था. स्टाइलिश ऐसे.
नहीं, ये स्टाइलिश नहीं है, ये मुजम्मिल का पूरा नाम भी नहीं लग रहा.
ठीक है टीचर, मैं चेंज कर दूँ.
Okay, let me take your attendance. जिसका मैं नाम बोलूंगी, that person is going to say present, then your attendance is going to be marked, otherwise absent from my side. Okay. Tahir is absent today. Tabeen, he is also absent from my side. Shayan,
Present.
okay. Musaf,
Present.
Mudassir, absent. Muzammil,
Present.
Shamir,
Present.
Sufyan, absent. Ali Hassan,
टीचर मुझे लगता है क्लास ऑन करके चला गया कहीं.
I don't know, his mic is on. Ali, your absent is going to be marked if you are not saying anything. Mariam is not here. Roma,
Present.
Khadija came and moved. Absent from my side. Seher,
Present.
Seher, were you present in the last class?
Yes, teacher, I was present, but the network connection was not good.
Okay, fine. Okay, ji, any question if you people want to ask? Class 8.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, Shayan.
टीचर जो बुक है वो ना दो मतलब ईयर्स पे बेस्ड है, एक 17 और 18 वाली और एक 19 to 20 वाली. तो टीचर लेट सपोज मुझे 17 to 18 वाली नहीं मिलती और 19-20 वाली मिल जाती है, तो मैं वो ले लूं बुक?
बेटे लेनी ही वो वाली है. मेरे पास चूंकि ओल्ड एडिशन है, ये तो मेरे पास कब से पड़ा हुआ है, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग इट. जो भी आपको प्रेफरेबली मिलती है वो लें, और हमेशा कोशिश करनी चाहिए जो लेटेस्ट एडिशन है वो यू हैव टू परचेज इट, क्योंकि उसमें कुछ
टीचर
ना
मेरे
कुछ
पापा भी
नई बातें
पूछ
ऐड
रहे
अप.
थे क्योंकि पंजाब टेक्स्ट बुक वाली है ना, पापा भी यही कहते कौन सा वाला वर्जन चाहिए. एक तो पुराना वाला है और एक नया वाला है. जो कौन सा वर्जन चाहिए वो मुझे बताना.
न्यू वन, whatever मैंने आपको बताया था, whatever it is available, either it's 2019, 20 to
ठीक हो गया.
21, लेटेस्ट एडिशन आपने लेना है.
ओके टीचर.
मुदस्सिर, you are late. I have marked your absent.
एक्सक्यूज मी टीचर,
Yes बेटे.
क्या मुझे क्लास का नोटिफिकेशन यहाँ पर रिसीव हुआ है?
पक्की बात है?
यस टीचर, पहले तो मैं काफी देर इंतजार कर रहा था.
Why didn't you send the message in the school that I didn't get
I
the
have called in the
notification?
school, then they have sent the message.
Okay, fine. Please listen the recording. Lecture record हो चुका हुआ है. When it will be uploaded on our channel, you will be able to learn it from there. Mudassir, do you have the book?
No.
Okay. Okay, students, this was all for today. If you don't have any questions, then I am ending the meeting. Okay, please try to get the book. And whoever get the book from anywhere, do tell your class fellows so that we can go with the flow. Right? Because आपके पास book होगी, you will be able to revise the lesson. ऐसे फिर आपको I understand समझ नहीं आती, and you people are not able to learn it. And please try to learn it. जैसे जैसे पढ़ते जाएंगे आप, साथ साथ याद करते जाएंगे, it will be easy for you. Right? एकदम से आपके एग्जाम्स आ जाएंगे and you will not know कि भाई एग्जाम आ गए हमारे. ठीक है? चलें, I am ending the class. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.
अल्लाह हाफिज़
टीचर. Hello.